Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever seen one of these golf balls in a cage and wondered how it's made, I'm going to show you in this video. I hope you enjoy. The first thing I did was take a scrap piece of wood and cut it into a 2x2 cube on my table saw. And this one measures about 5 inches in overall length. Then I'm going to mark halfway on each side of this cube, and that's going to serve as my line that I'm going to line up my drill press with when I drill out the holes of this block of wood. And I want to give myself a good stopping point on each side of this block of wood. So I'm marking 1.25 inches from each edge, and that will be my end point, so that way I do not drill past that line. I made the same markings all around the 4 sides of this block of wood. This will ensure that it has a nice universal look to it, and it's all getting drilled out the same on each side. Then I'm going to take this block of wood and put it underneath my drill press. I have a nice drill press fence here that I'm going to use, which will allow me to do this project very quickly. I'm using a 1 1/4 inch Forstner bit to drill out these holes, and I always like to fasten my wood down with some clamps before using the drill press. Now just repeat that process and drill out a lot of holes on each side of this cube of wood. Make sure you do not go past your end marks that we made previous. By sliding your block of wood from side to side, you can turn a lot of small circles into a large oval, which is the goal for today. I went ahead and just repeated this same process on all 4 sides of my cube and started to see my cage take shape. After I was done drilling out my cage, I took sandpaper and sanded the entire thing down by hand just to clean it up a little bit. At first glance, you might be skeptical that this golf ball can actually fit inside of this cage, but remember that wood expands with heat, so we're going to put this block of wood in some boiling water on the stove. I use pine wood for my cage because I know that soft wood expands more than hardwood. I recommend you use some sort of soft wood like pine as well. Make sure that the block of wood is fully submerged in the water for at least 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes or so, it's time to take this block of wood out and see if our little experiment has worked. Simply take your golf ball and apply some pressure and push it into the cage. And just like that, you have a golf ball inside of a cage of wood. This is a really cool trick and will be a nice little piece to put on my coffee table for people to pick up and play with when they come over. I'm going to let this block of wood dry and then it'll be all finished. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, hit that like button, and I always appreciate people subscribing to my channel.